Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan bacon. We'll dive into crafting a plant-based alternative that truly satisfies. You'll learn about different base ingredients and how to infuse them with that classic smoky, savory flavor. Get ready to transform simple items into a crispy, delicious treat perfect for any meal. This guide will help you master the art of vegan bacon. To begin, select your base. Thin rice paper or sliced king oyster mushrooms work wonderfully. Next, prepare a flavorful marinade. Combine liquid smoke for that essential smoky taste, along with soy sauce, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, and a dash of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget nutritional yeast to add a savory, umami richness. This blend is key to authentic bacon flavor. Once your base is marinated, it's time to cook. You can pan-fry the strips in a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat until they're beautifully crispy and golden brown. Alternatively, for a hands-off approach, bake them on a parchment-lined baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on them, as they can cook quickly, ensuring that perfect crunch. After cooking, allow your vegan bacon to cool completely before storing it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Feel free to experiment with additional spices in your marinade, like a pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of black pepper, to customize the flavor. For more tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, look for the links and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.